What's up, yo? What's up, yo? You guys thought I wasn't not gonna make video this week? Here Big One Trucker back with another video. Today I'm gonna make this quick video for you guys. You guys that wanna learn how to ship. I'm gonna talk with my friend to teach me, you know, how to ship. Yo, I need a help. Could you show me how to ship?
Trying to start on first or reverse. Put your feet on the clutch all the way down. All right. So the first 5 gears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't put your foot on the gas too much. Look, just go a little bit. Second, a little bit. A little bit. Don't go crazy. Just a little bit. Boom.
I was struggling doing that.
It's gonna go right away. Don't try. And then when you get to 5, when you're trying to go to 6, then you hit the gas a little bit more. You raise your RPM to a little higher. It's gonna take it right away. The first gears you don't go too crazy. You go slow. Then the 6 and 7. We cannot go to 7 obviously because we in the Amazon. A little gas, gear. A little gas, gear. A little gas, neutral gear. Neutral gear. Then we're gonna
like you go like, yo, why are you guys keeping
dead animals?
No. Hey, my truck ain't no garbage. Why are you trying to yeah, fancy stuff. All you guys look clean with a perfume. Me, I'm look like a mechanic. Huh? Yo, you guys, why, yo? Yo, why you guys are joking with my truck, yo? Why you guys joking with my truck? This is a lying. What's wrong with you? What you doing though? Hey! It's not safe though. Man, yo, some Cape Verdeans guys. Yo, you see this guy? He's a pro. Look how he's backing up. This guy, they are making some money in Amazon though. Hey, what's up, yo?
Call me by my name. You know my name?
What's your name? What's your name, yo?
Call me by my name, LP.
You quick though. You quick. What's wrong with you though? My gosh, it feels so good here with the AC and shit.
You're not used to this, right?
Nah, I'm not used to it.